Okay, people, welcome at a review of Izettle. And Izettle is a useful tool for small businesses. It helps them take card payments easily. In this review, we'll look at what Izettle can do, what's good about it, and what might be not so great. This will help you decide if it's right for your business. Well, what's Izettle? Izettle is like cash register that fits in your pocket. It helps small businesses and people who sell things take card payments. It's easy to use and to work with many type of cards, like those with chips, contactless cards, and phone payments like Apple Pay and Google Pay. Well, let's dive in some features of Izettle. The card payments. Izettle helps take card payments with a small gadget and an app on your phone or tablet. It can handle different types of cards so your customers can pay the way they like. Well, there is an inventory manager. You can use Izettle to keep track of what you sell. It's like having a list of all your stuff. You can add things, set prices, and keep things organized. Sales reports. Izettle tells you how much you sold and when. It helps you see what's popular and make a good decision for your business. Well, it has receipts and bills. You can make digital receipts and bills easily. These can be sent to your customers through email or text messages. This helps keep things neat and professional. Works with other stuff. Izettle can connect with other programs like QuickBooks and Xero. This helps you with your money stuff. It can work without internet. Even if you don't have internet, Izettle can still help you take payments. This means you won't lose sales because of a bad connection. Really great features. Well, we go to the pros and to the cons. And some pros. We have 5 pros and we have only 2 cons. So here we go. Izettle, it's easy to use. Izettle is made to be simple and anyone can use it, even if you're not great with technology. Low fees. Izettle fees for taking card payments are competitive. It won't cost you too much, so there are low fees. Safe and secure. Izettle follows strict rules to keep your payments safe. This is good for both your business and your customers. Good for different businesses. Izettle can be used by many types of businesses, like stores, restaurants, and people who offer services. Well, the last pro, it helps when you need it. Izettle has people you can call or email if you have questions or problem. So when you're in need, they can help you. Well, there are some cons and only 2 cons we're gonna tell you now. And there is a limited hardware option. The card reader is simple, but if you need fancy equipment, Izettle might not have it. Transactions can be a little bit slow. Sometimes it might take a little bit longer to finish a payment compared to other machines. Conclusion. What's the conclusion? Izettle is a great tool for small businesses. It makes it easy to take card payments and keep track of what you sell. The fees are reasonable and it's safe to use. While it might not have all the fancy features, some businesses need it's a handy way to handle payments, especially if you want something easy to use. Just remember to think about what your business needs before you decide if Izettle is right for you. Well, people, this was a little review of Izettle, and if you like this review, please give some thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews, and I hope to see you in the next video. Thank you. I wish you a very nice day. Bye bye.